The 1986 Yamaha VMAX is renowned for its powerhouse performance, featuring a high-performance V4 engine that delivers impressive acceleration and top speed capabilities. This iconic motorcycle redefined the power cruiser category with its potent engine and muscular performance. Yamaha incorporated innovative technology into the 1986 VMAX to enhance its performance and handling. Features such as the V-Boost system, which utilized variable intake manifold technology to optimize power delivery at different RPM ranges. This set the VMAX apart from its competitors. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. Over the years, the 1986 Yamaha VMAX has attained legendary status among motorcycle enthusiasts. Its combination of raw power, striking design, and innovative engineering has solidified its place in motorcycle history, making it a sought-after classic among collectors and riders alike. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.